Hello, welcome again. In this video lesson, we're going to learn about how you can change the aspect ratio of your video. Most often, we create contents for different platforms. For example, the aspect ratio for the YouTube videos is 16:9, most of, but the shorts ratio is 4:3, or maybe it can be vary for Instagram Reels or the TikToks. So we're going to see in this video that how you can do that in the CapCut software. So let's get started. In the CapCut interface, let's import a video first. So we have imported video. Let's add it into the timeline. As you can see the preview from here, while I move the cursor from timeline left to right or right to left, you can see the change of the preview. Or what you can do, you can click on the play button to see your footage. So what we are going to do, we are going to change the aspect ratio. To do that, you can see here in the corner there is an option called ratio. We need to click on it. And when you click on it, you can see the bunch of ratio is available for here. Currently it's 16:9, which is default because the footage I have downloaded is 16:9. So if I want to convert it as the format of Instagram Reels or the YouTube short, let's see. Let's click again on the ratio, and this time let's select 9:16. So this way you can see the frame has changed. So what you need to do, we need to click on the video footage. We can do in two ways. So number one is you can select the footage and drag it and zoom it. So this way, then you can click on the screen again to adjust the footage. So this is one of the way by pressing Ctrl J, or you can see here the undo option. If I click on the undo, it will get back to the previous form. As I told you, we can do it in a two way. So by selecting on the video, if you look here in the basic section, you can see there is an option called scale. So if you make it larger to the percentage, you can see the footage is going to be zooming or adjust the or fill the preview option. Like previous way, you can adjust the clip again as per your preference. So by selecting on the ratio, you can change the aspect ratio. For example, let's change into another ratio like 4:3, and let's make the scale a little bit less to adjust the screen. And mostly this aspect ratio I think is used in the Facebook. In the mobile preview it looks great. So let me give you insights that some of the video is perform better and some of the video doesn't perform better on the social media, and that is one of the reason is the ratio, because most of the people use mobile phone to use the social media. If you convert your footage in the social media format like in shorts or the Facebook aspect ratio, then it's higher chance to get rank of your video. That is why I think that changing the aspect ratio as per your preference while you are posting the social media is very important. But most of the cases in the e-learning video or the educational video, the aspect ratio highly preferable at 16:9. So you must keep it in your mind. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.